Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be sharing a brief journey through the history of science and technology. Science, from the Latin scientia meaning knowledge, is our organized way of understanding the world through observation and experiment. Galileo once said, "In science, the opinions of a thousand are not worth as much as one tiny spark of reason in a single man." Isaac Newton discovered the laws of motion and gravity. He showed us how the universe follows natural laws, giving birth to modern physics. Technology comes from the Greek word techne, meaning skills of craft, the application of science to solve problems, improve life, and fulfill human needs. Science and technology plays vital role. They generate knowledge, create tools, shape societies together to improve health, agriculture, and even our daily living. Looking back at history, human progress was marked by great inventions. In the Stone Age, people used hammerstones, clay pots, hand axes, and even created cave art. In the Bronze Age, inventions like soap, rope, umbrellas, plows, and the wheel transformed life and trade. In the Iron Age, stronger iron swords, plows, pottery wheels, and even water wheels reshaped farming and warfare. During the Middle Ages, inventions such as the printing press, eyeglasses, gunpowder, and clocks sparked revolution in knowledge and daily life. In the modern age, we witness inventions like electricity, computers, airplanes, and digital technology transforming the way we live today. Here in the Philippines, science and technology existed long before colonization. Our ancestors practiced farming, both building, weaving, and herbal medicine. They used astronomy to track seasons and develop tools for survival. Filipino ingenuity continued through the years. Agapito Flores with the fluorescent lamp, Dr. Beth Del Mundo with her medical incubator, Eduardo San Juan who helped design the lunar rover, and Roberto Del Rosario who invented the karaoke. These contributions show how Filipinos have shaped and improved global science and technology. In the end, the history of science and technology is not just about inventions, it's about humanity's resilience and creativity. It reminds us that every tool, every discovery, and every innovation is part of our shared journey toward progress. Thank you everyone for listening and watching my video.